Welcome. Today let's learn about countries and their capitals. Are you ready? Let's go. This is Afghanistan. Afghanistan is a country in Asia. The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. This is Albania. Albania is a country in Europe. The capital of Albania is Tirana. This is Algeria. Albania is a country in Africa. The capital of Algeria is Algiers.
This is Andorra. It is a country in Europe. The capital of Andorra is Andorra la Vella. This is Argentina. Argentina is a country in South America. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. This is Australia. Australia is a country in Oceania. The capital of Australia is Canberra. This is Austria. Austria is a country in Europe. The capital of Austria is Vienna. This is Bahamas. Bahamas is a country in North America. The capital of Bahamas is Nassau. This is Guinea-Bissau. Guinea-Bissau is a country in Africa. The capital of Guinea-Bissau is Bissau. This is Kenya. Kenya is a country in Africa. The capital of Kenya is Nairobi. This is China. China is a country in Asia. The capital of China is Beijing. This is Belarus. Belarus is a country in Europe. The capital of Belarus is Minsk. This is Belgium. Belgium is a country in Europe. The capital of Belgium is Brussels. This is Canada. Canada is a country in North America. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. This is Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a country in Africa. The capital of Ethiopia is Addis Ababa. This is Hungary. Hungary is a country in Europe. The capital of Hungary is Budapest. This is Jamaica. Jamaica is a country in North America. The capital of Jamaica is Kingston. This is Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is a country in Europe. The capital of Liechtenstein is Vaduz. This is New Zealand. New Zealand is a country in Oceania. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington. This is Zambia. Zambia is a country in Africa. The capital of Zambia is Lusaka.